What's this?
Is that your train?
What's this?
This is the letter
Not that skilled yet, Grandma.
Grandma.
You have to get it exactly right.
begins with C. Turn the block over. B is for turtle.
Turtle.
Can you find a turtle?
Oh, look. Yeah. Did you find a turtle in there?
How does this sound? Tonight doesn't work well for me. We're moving in a few days, so this week probably won't work for me.
That probably won't work. Well, if you could go like during the
pretty
day, and you
straightforward.
have your operation.
Yeah, and we're packing. That's probably good, honey.
Okay.
Let's go.
Really?
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is.
He'd probably rather go without you anyway.
I know.
Why?
I don't know.
He doesn't really like us that much.
What? You say you don't think they like you? Is that what you said? Here you go,
I
again.
think he thinks I'm weird, but that's okay. Now, they just think they're so cool that we're just not cool enough.
Can you push it through, Gabe?
Begin.
Push it down.
Push.
Push. Push it down. Push it down. Almost. A little bit farther.
Push down. There you go. Push. Yes.
All the way through. All the way down.
Yay!
Good job. Good job. Do it again. Yeah.
Put it in.
Push down.
Oh, you're so good. You're doing it.
A little bit farther.
There you go. Push. Yes.
Good job. Yay. Can you show us how you walk with it?
You want to walk with it?
Okay. There you go. Good job. Woo! There you go.
Go, see, Daddy, turn me.
Daddy, turn me around.
Let's go.
Good job.
Yay!
Good job. That reaction is priceless. Woo. Every time it goes through, he screams.
He's so funny. He's like, yeah, I did it.
Oh,
See?
slippery, yeah.
There you go.
Can you push it down? Good job.
Babe!
You see that light there, don't you?
Wow, look at that.
I just noticed that.
Yeah, I did too. I never noticed that before.
What you doing? Huh? Oh, there you
He's
go.
walking with it sideways.
Pushing it sideways. There's Snuggles. There's Grandma.
You did it.
Does everyone want a cup?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yay.
I have fun watching Gabe.
There's Daddy.
Does everybody want ice?
This is our last Sunday before we move to Lehigh, Utah. So Daddy can go to graduate school, become a physical therapist, and make us some money.